Hey guys, I have my Clever Fox goal setting planner here. I ordered it from Amazon just for the ease of using Prime shipping and stuff like that. I could have ordered it from the Clever Fox website, but I just decided to order it from Amazon. So it comes in this nice hard, very hard with the Clever Fox emblem on it, which with the plastic you can't see. Okay, so the box has the logo on it. Oh, and it opens like this. And it does come with a how it works manual. I got the 13-week Ultimate Achievers Planner. So I will definitely take a look at this, but I decided to go with the red. I went with the red. It has a pin loop here and the strap. It does have a pocket in the back. Comes with a warranty card, and then it does come with these stickers. It has some months. Budget stickers. Some quotes. So it comes with this stuff here. So I'll just get this out of the way. But here's the planner. And I'm not sure if it'll lay flat or not. But let's just flip through it very fast. Has if it's found, put it here. And then it has a place to put your goal 1. Oh, it does lay flat. Your goal 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it starts out with the month, and this is undated. And I believe all the months are up here. It's just a 3-month. You get 3 months and an extra month just to like pre-plan. And then it has weekly here and like a week review. So it has all the weeks. And then it starts with your day. So it has like a morning review and like your activities that are associated with your goals. And then like your schedules over here. And so there's 52 of those. And then on the last day, it just gives you some dot grid paper. So and it does come with 3 tassels at the bottom. One says today, one says week, and then I'm assuming that's for like the month. But I picked this up because I wanted something for my personal life that was more goal oriented and that was kind of like guided stuff. So I will be putting together a plan with me with this Clever Fox. And I did want to see, I have these planners I picked up at Walmart, and I've been like writing in them. It looks like the Clever Fox is a little bit bigger. This is an A5 size, and so this is not an A5 size. I'm not even sure what size it is. Anyway, I'm really excited to get started in this planner for the next quarter. I want to see how quarter planning works. I did try a Kanban board for this current quarter, and within 3 weeks I knew it wasn't going to work for me. So I'm hoping that this planner will do it. I just don't seem... I'm using my Erin Condren EC hourly planner and right now, and it's working okay for like work. Like, these are my work to-do list checklist that needs to be done. But for personal and goal oriented for my personal life, there's really no space in there, and I've just been writing it in random spots, and so I'm hoping this gets me to move my goal forward. So thanks for checking out this unboxing. I will put together a plan with me for you guys to watch on this Clever Fox and let you know how I will be using it for the next quarter. Bye!